Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Cecil Katapang and welcome to Chantal Health Talk. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Today we will be discussing a very important topic, liver health. You know, the liver detoxifies the body. That is why it is important to maintain the health of your liver. We will be discussing the warning signs of liver damage and sharing 4 crucial tips on how you can safeguard the liver. Plus, revealing a secret weapon on how you can protect your liver with Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata. Una, pag-usapan natin, ano-ano nga ba ang signs na nagkakaproblema ka na sa atay? So, look out for the signs. Yellowing of the skin and eyes o jaundice. Persistent abdominal pain and swelling. Unexplained weight loss. Dark urine and pale-colored stools. Para maiwasan ang pagkadamage sa ating atay, ito naman ang ating tips to keep your liver healthy. Iwasan ang sobrang pag-inom ng alak, kumain ng malusog at balansing pagkain. Manatili sa tamang timbang at mag-exercise regularly. Uminom ng sapat na tubig para ma-flush out ang toxins. Lastly, ang pag-take ng Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata. Ano nga ba makakatulong ang Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata sa ating atay? Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata is a revolutionary supplement packed with natural ingredients known for their liver protective properties. It aids in detoxification, promotes liver regeneration, and supports overall liver health. It's like a superhero for your liver. Kaya mga kaibigan, importante to keep your liver healthy. Remember to listen to your body. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. I cannot overemphasize the value of keeping your liver healthy. You want a healthy body, you need a healthy liver. So listen to your body and consider incorporate Chantal Vertex Pro Antrorata for that extra liver protection.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Vertex Pro Antrorata ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.